Good morning everyone. Myself Mohammad Sufyan Muhammad Yas Qureshi. I study in 4th standard in Anjuman Primary Semi English Medium School, Ganibak, Nagpur. Today I am going to share with you a few words about Republic Day. Respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 72 Republic Day of India. We celebrate it every year on 26 January. Before independence, India was under British rule. We got freedom on 15 August 1947 and on 26 January 1950 our constitution came into force. Hence this day is very important. India become a secular and democratic country. On this day we salute our flag and sing national anthem. We also distribute sweet among the children. On this day we must take swear that we will follow our constitution and take part in the development of our country. Thank you.